Are you confident that your current health and safety procedures are keeping your workforce safe and your business compliant? Here at MMCT, we believe that quality training creates quality people and that everyone deserves training of the highest standard. We believe that training should be as much about reaching out to hearts and minds as it is about imparting knowledge. To help you keep your workforce safe and your business compliant, we take the time to get to know and understand your organisation's needs and the challenges you face, so that the solutions we offer are right for you. With a wide variety of training courses available, I'm confident that we can support your business to establish the mindset needed to make sure you and your workforce go home safe every day. Have a browse around our website for more information on the training courses we offer. Then please get in touch via the contact page if you have any questions or would like to book a course or to arrange a free, no obligation meeting.